Deploying assistants on Catalyst is easy. Open your assistants page and click on the Deployment tab. There are several ways to publish. If you're building a QA assistant, you can embed it in your website or make it available through Microsoft Office applications such as Excel, PowerPoint, and Word, or through Teams. Alternatively, if your assistant is part of an AI-powered workflow, you can interact with it from other applications through our API. In this video, we'll publish our assistant on a website. Open the Styling section. Here you can change look and feel so the assistant fits with your brand identity. In the General Settings section, change the font, user prompt, and default error message. The error message is a fallback response in case your assistant encounters an error, such as an AI service outage. You can also change the dimensions of the pop-up window. Use the Header section to style the top of the chat widget. You can show the assistant's photo, if you wish. Change the colors to fit your brand and select a font size. Change the background color of the chat widget in the body section. Continue to the Messages section, where you can style the chat messages. Turn on the Show Headings option to see the assistant's name and a copy button at the top of each message. Adjust the background and text of the messages as you wish. Finally, style the bottom of the chat widget using the Footer section. We are now ready to deploy. Open the Embed Code section. You can show your assistant as a bubble, which users can expand into the chat widget, or as a section on a web page. In both cases, we just need to copy the code snippet shown and add it to our website. We'll go with the Chat Bubble option here. Click the clipboard button to copy the code. Here's the result. In more advanced videos, we'll cover how to deploy your assistant through other channels.